Let's see the sixth question of exercise 3.1. The question is, the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. So first of all, what we will do? We arrange the marks in the ascending order, means increasing order. So lowest one we will write first. So the lowest one is 39. Then we write 48. Then 56. Then we have 75. Okay, 75. Then 76. Then we have 81. 85. We have 85 two times. Then we have 90 and at last 95. Okay, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so first of all we have to arrange them into increasing order. Now see the first question, highest and the lowest marks. So highest marks, that is 95. This is your highest marks. And the lowest one is 39. So this is your lowest mark. Okay, so this is the answer of your first question. Second, we have range of the marks obtained. So how will you find the range? Range is equal to highest minus lowest. So highest is 95, lowest is 39. So what is the answer? 6 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 56 is your answer. Okay. Range means you know the highest mark, that is 95. You know the lowest mark, that is 39. So we have to find the difference. Lowest, highest minus lowest. You will get the answer 56. Third question. Mean marks obtained by the group. Now we want to find the mean. So mean is equal to what we have to do? Do the addition of all these numbers. Marks obtained divide by 10. Because here you have 10 students and you have marks of total 10 students. So mean is equal to sum of all this. So let's start with this last ones place. So 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, 27 plus 6 is 33, 33 plus 8 is 41 and 41 plus 9 is 50. So your ones digit is 0, 5 is carry over. So 5 plus 9, that is 14, 14 plus 9 23, 23 plus 8 is 31, 31 plus 8 is 39, 39 plus 8 is 47, 47 plus 7 is 54, 54 plus 7 is 61, 61 plus 5 is 66, 66 plus 4 is 70 and 70 plus 3 is 73. 73 divided by 10. So sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. 0, 0 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? Mean is 73. So this way we can solve question number 6. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. So let's see how to find this mean. Question number 7. Consecutive means the difference between two observations is constant. If you take any two observations and find the difference, it will remain constant. So that is the meaning of consecutive. Question number 7. The year was 1555, 1670, then 1750, then 21-3, then 25-40, and then 28-20. Okay. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. So mean means what we can do? Do the addition of all this. So mean is equal to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 whole divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now we do the addition. First we do the addition of ones place 0, 0, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Then here it is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 5, 19, 24, 4, please carry over. 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 6, that is 28, 28 plus 5, 33, 3, 3 is carry over, 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, divided by 6, 12,348 divided by 6. So when you do the division, 6 2s are 12, 6 6 are 6 5s are 30, and 6 8s are 48. So what is the answer? 258 is your mean. Okay. So this way we can solve this question. Sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So this is all about your question number 7. Move on to the next question. Question number 8. The rainfall in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Monday to Sunday. Okay. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. So whenever you want to find the range, you have to arrange the given data in the ascending order. So you will get the highest and the lowest report. Okay. So let's see question number 8. So on Monday 0.0, then 12.2, Monday 12.2, then we have 2.1, 0.0, then 20.5, 5.5. and 1.0. If you don't want to arrange, it's okay. What is the lowest one? Lowest one is your 0.0 and the highest one you consider, that is 20.5. So this is your highest and 0.3 is your lowest range. Sorry, lowest reading. So range is equal to what? Highest minus lowest. So what is the answer? 20.5 minus 0.0. So your answer is 20.5 only. Next we have find the mean rainfall for the week. So mean means what? Do the addition 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 whole divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1 is carry over, so 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, again 1 is carry over, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, so 41.3 divided by 7. So how will you solve this? 7 5 is 35, 7 5 is 35, 6 is left, so 7 9 are 63. So your answer is 5.9. This way you can find the mean of the given observations. Do the sum of all the observations, divide by 7. When you do the addition, you will get 41.3 divided by 7. 7 5 is 35, 6 left, 63, 7 9 are 63. So the answer is 5.9. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Okay, your mean rainfall is 5.9. So how many days was the rainfall less? Less means 5.9. So you have to consider the less record. So that is 1 day, second day, third, fourth. So this is the fourth day, and this is 5. So total 5 days are there where the rainfall is less than the mean, that is 5.9. Okay, so your answer is 5. On how many days? So 5 days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. So 5 days is your answer for the next question. Okay. So this is all about your question number 8. Move on to the 9th question that we will discuss. I will explain you have to do it by yourself. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. What is the height of the tallest girls? You have to find the highest reading. What is the height of the shortest girls? You have to find the reading of the smallest girls. Height in height means you have to arrange the height in ascending order. So easily you will get the highest term and the lowest term. What is the range of the data? Means highest minus lowest you have to do. What is the mean height of the girls? You have to do the addition of all the observations, divide by total number of observations. How many girls have the height more than the mean height? When you find the mean, whatever answer you have, above that whatever is the reading, that you can consider more than the mean height. So this is all about your question number 9. It is same as your question number 8, but here you have to find the observations more than the mean height. Here we have find the observation less than the mean height. Okay? So try to solve the question number 9 by yourself. So here your exercise 3.1 is completed. Thank you.